Okay, I'm going to show how to add a student to an existing family at Perry County School District. This would be used if you have a student enrolled currently and you need to add, for instance, a kindergartner, really anybody to your family. So you have to have a parent portal. If you don't have one, at the bottom of our SIS login page, there is right down where this says there is a Google form that you can fill out, and then we can get you set up with a parent portal. This database I'm using here is used for training purposes only. So I know it says Edwards School District, but this is for Perry County School District. So you have to have a parent portal first, and we'll just go ahead and sign into our parent portal. And when you get in here, it will say online registration must be completed. And click the little view here. Again, this is a training video, and this required e-forms are not required on our version. So once you click the view button, you get in here. You can see this student information tab. So we will click student information. This loads all of your current students that are enrolled at the district. If you scroll down to the very bottom here, there is this Add Student button. So if we click that, you can type in here, you can load everything that is required here. And then when you're done, you want to check this little box and click Save.